Scoop and rake length makes jobs easy. No more bending and scooping with short-handled trowels and scoopers. The tray and rake are 36.75 inches long, making it easier for cleaning up pet messes in yards and kennels. Tray and rake combination for easy storage. The tray and rake snap together for easy and convenient storage. Using the Spotty Metal Outdoor / Kennel Tray and Rake is tidy, convenient and durable enough for everyday use. The rake with 9 teeth. The metal phalanges get between the grass and easily scoop out the crap. Cleaning up after your pet is easy with this metal rake and tray. Long handles minimize bending down and make this set perfect for yards or kennels. Made of lightweight aluminum, this rake and tray is easy to carry but durable enough for everyday use. Top reviews from the United States. Necessary tools for yard cleanup. We just re-landscaped our front yard. I bought this set to have handy to pick up feces, especially right before my gardener comes every 2 weeks. That keeps me honest.